Every legend starts somewhere. Newberg has always had a gym for bodybuilding and powerlifting, a place to cultivate strength and pursue excellence, to develop discipline, dignity, and dedication. At Power Palace Gym, we're continuing that legacy. Our 1980s-themed fitness center is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with over 55 different weightlifting stations and rare, hard-to-find old-school equipment. This is a place to build champions. What you gain here cannot be bought, stolen, or inherited. It can only be held on to with constant work. If you desire power, come train with us and become legendary. Bodybuilding and powerlifting are sports for serious strength athletes. But even if you don't intend to compete in these sports, your life can still be greatly benefited by weightlifting. Our fitness coaches work with people of any fitness level and can help you achieve your fitness goals. Whether your goal is to lose weight, develop a cut physique, or you just want to become a stronger person, training at Power Palace Gym will be the best decision you'll ever make toward achieving your goals. If your workouts don't challenge you, then they won't change you. Sign up at Power Palace Gym today and enter the Kingdom of Gains.